Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Thunderbird. This setup allows you to manage all your Gmail messages, folders, and labels directly from Thunderbird's desktop interface, giving you a more streamlined email experience without needing to keep your browser open all the time. First, open your web browser and head to www.google.com. In the search bar, type download Mozilla Thunderbird and hit enter. Click on the first official link from the Mozilla website to download Thunderbird, then install the software on your computer. This is the email client we'll be using to access your Gmail account offline. Once installation is complete, open the Mozilla Thunderbird application. If this is your first time launching Thunderbird, you'll see the Set up your existing email address window pop up automatically. If it doesn't appear, simply click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, select Account Settings, then click Account Actions, followed by Add Mail Account. This is where you'll connect your Gmail. Now enter your display name in the first field. This is the name recipients will see when you send emails. Next, type your full Gmail address, something like yournameagmail.com, then enter your Gmail password. If you have two-step verification enabled on your Google account, you'll need to use an app password instead of your regular password. Once everything is filled in, click Continue. Thunderbird will automatically search for the correct email provider settings for Gmail. When the configuration screen appears, make sure to select IMAP as your account type. This option keeps your messages synced across all devices, so any changes you make in Thunderbird will reflect in Gmail on your phone or browser as well. After selecting IMAP, click Done. Thunderbird will now prompt you to sign in to your Google account in a pop-up window. Go ahead and sign in, then grant Thunderbird permission to access your Gmail. This authorization is necessary for Thunderbird to retrieve and send emails on your behalf. Wait a moment while Thunderbird configures your account and begins downloading your emails. Depending on how many messages you have, this might take a few minutes. Once the setup completes, your Gmail account will appear in the left panel of Thunderbird, and you'll be ready to manage all your emails directly from the desktop client. Thanks for watching.